Hey guys, welcome to another video here on Level 10 Gamers. Today I thought we would rig this thing up. This is the iiglo 4 monitor stand that I bought on Black Friday, which you might have seen in my Black Friday haul video. So thingy up there somewhere, click it or the link in the description below to see what I got from Black Friday. But today it's this guy. I currently have 3 separate monitors on 3 separate stands, and it's just a jumble of stands and blah. So let's put them on here instead, shall we? Alright, let's first crack open the box and see what's in it. Oh, it's a heavy one, that's for sure. Quad desk stand, that's what it's called. Come on, there we go. Installation instructions for later. Oh jeez, this is heavy shit. Could you? Pre-bent rods. Everybody needs that in their life. Styrofoam. And it's the cheapest shit styrofoam. The one that lighter than air styrofoam. Right. Let's see here. Driver CDs? Oh. Base amounts. Almost had me scared there. Another one, and 2 more, which don't come in a fancy packaging. Okay. Yeah, some more mounts and hardware and stuff. Screws. Oh wow, it's like a TV stand. Oh, included tools. It's like IKEA. All right. Oh yeah, and there's the base. I'm not sure if I have to use the base. Oh Jesus, there's all the weight. Yep, it's about a 8 mil thick, it might be even a centimeter thick plate of steel with a bit of rubber protection on the bottom. Yup, solid. Alright guys, let me reset the camera and we will start the mounting process. Alright, so it's been a couple of days since you saw me install this monitor stand. The fourth monitor has, well, my lead on that has fallen through, but I do have a plan to swap that monitor out, and that will then move up, so don't worry about that. And here are my thoughts on this quad monitor stand. All in all, it's very great value for, you know, how much it costs. You get a lot from it. It looks great. Very, very, very good for cable management. It's easy to mount, not even hard at all. It comes with 3 different mounts, or 3 different way of mounting it, which is very, very nice. The only negative sides about it is that it is fairly long. I did have to move my PC a little bit further away due to the way my desk is arranged, and there's no like easy option to shorten it. I do understand it's supposed to hold 3 27-inch monitors in the landscape orientation, so it has to be long. It's 150 centimeters, and you know, that long in American standards, but it's 150 centimeters long or wide, but there's no way to shorten it easily without having to cut it. And another, like a joint would be nice, or a seam or some way to disconnect something to shorten it, should you not have 27-inch monitors, or do like I have, where I have them in portrait mode. The 2 side ones are in portrait mode, which mean they take up half the size. But okay, it is rather cheap, so I can live with it, and I do have the desk size, so I don't really, it doesn't really affect me as much as anybody else. But be aware that if you are considering buying the iiglo quad monitor arm, it is wide, so check for clearance first. Another thing that I would like to see on it would be a height adjustment on the center lower screen. There is none. It's fixed, and you can adjust the height of the side monitors about much, 4 or 5 centimeters maximum. It doesn't really bother me that much, but if you're really anal on having your bottom sort of bezel correct on all monitors, you cannot have them portrait. That doesn't work. But it works out for me because I've got the mixer here, and you know, it works, and I've got it set up the way I want it. I'm happy with it. The only other, or the last problem that I have with it, it's a bit wobbly. Not so much wobbly that I am concerned about it falling over or anything. It's just it feels a little bit unsteady. Not that there's any chance in hell it would ever tip over or something. It also might be due to the fact that I haven't clamped it down full hardness either. This is an IKEA desk. IKEA, what's it called? Cardboard core desk, where it only has wood in the 4 corners, and the rest is just cardboard core. So I don't want to compress it too much, because then I'd just snap and fall over. So on a solid wood desk, you would probably clamp it down a little bit harder, and it would probably be okay. But on this, not so much. But as I said, it doesn't bother me. It doesn't scare me. There's no reason to concern about it. It's just my observation. It is a bit wobbly. Should you buy it anyway? If you're on the market for a fairly cheap quad stand that you don't have to move the monitors in strange positions at any given time, sure, great money, great value, works, does the job. Brilliant. All right, there you have it. My thoughts on this quad monitor arm from iiglo. If you want to purchase one yourself, I'm going to leave the link below, at least to the Norwegian site. I'll see if I can find it on Amazon as well. I'll put it down below. And yeah, let me know in the comment sections what you think about the arms, if you have any experience with them or any suggestions as to how I can steady it up on the IKEA cardboard core desk. Right guys, see you in the next one.